Hello! Do you want to turn your VTuber model into this? Do you want her to match your scenery and give spooky vibes to your stream or videos? If so, keep watching. So firstly, you're just going to want to open your VTube Studio. After you open your VTube Studio, let me go ahead and take that off. You're going to double click. You're going to go into your settings. You're going to go into this little webcam tracking and video. You're going to turn on your effects. So activate it. I already have two selected right now. Don't worry about that. Just make sure you turn on your visual effects. Then you're going to click the model settings at the very top of your screen. You're going to click on customize model. Scroll down until you see customize scene lighting for art meshes. Click select. Now, you're just going to want to make sure everything is selected. If it's not going to show up correctly. So for example, make sure they're selected the correct way or you're going to look spooky like me. So now that it is selected, just go through each art mesh and make sure it has a 1 on it. Depending on how yours is rigged, it'll either be set on 1 or 0. You click on the OK button. Then you're just going to want to go back to your effects under the webcam tracking and visual settings. You're going to click on the selected effects, click on it. We're working with bloom light effects and backlight and outline. So select the bloom effects. You can change each setting to whatever you prefer. You can literally just play around with it and see what you like. You can make the background really dark. You can intensify anything in these settings, but I really just have it on the best settings that I like so far. So far, the settings that I like are these for the bloom outline. I have a 36, 0 on all these, 1 on these. You just look through each one of these and see what I have. I'll do the same for the bloom light effects. Okay, now that you have that, if you want to save this preset to be able to toggle it on and off, you're going to click on the save icon right here. You're just going to click new preset, select it, and then name it what you want this preset to be called. I named mine horror settings. So when I get on my horror games, I can just toggle this on and get into the spooky vibes. So after you're done naming your preset, you're going to go to the hot settings and expressions tab. Click on it. I already have mine right here, but as you see, you're just going to click this plus symbol. You're going to select the toggle, hold on. You're going to select the load visual effect preset, select. You're going to select your horror lighting or whatever you decided to name it. You're going to click record and then whatever symbol you want it to be, and then you will be able to switch it on and off. Now, if this helped you, go ahead and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.